What is Weeno? Weeno Guide, the Weeno Calendar, and other cool stuff. When you open the Weeno program, you'll see a button here at the bottom right with a little trophy on it. This is the Progress and Achievements module. This module will provide different tools to help you track your progress within the program. If you click on the first button at the top, you'll see interesting statistics about your use of the program so far. Everything is automatically updated every time an action is performed inside the program. Take a look at these fun facts every now and then to see how far you've come since you've started learning. This will increase your motivation. You'll also see an overview of everything you've accomplished and what you still need to work on. If you click on the second button, you'll have access to the Weeno Calendar. The calendar will help you identify everything you do in order to learn your target language, whether it's inside the program or with external sources. Every day you practice with Weeno, a badge will automatically be added to your calendar. Every time you practice the language in the real world, by speaking, writing, watching, listening, or reading, you can manually add a badge to your calendar. The more badges you obtain at the end of each month, the more progress you will have made. By using the Weeno calendar, you'll be able to visually see the areas you need to work on. For example, if you have 20 listening badges at the end of the month, but only one speaking badge, you may want to try and increase your speaking activities in the next month. You certainly don't need to do every learning activity each day, unless you're superhuman. But you should try to find a nice balance in your language learning schedule and tweak your goals if you want to get the most out of your learning time. Let's take a look at Julia's calendar. Julia is very dedicated and she's making great progress. As you can see, she has a lot of badges of all kinds. She tries to include the language in her life in many ways. If she keeps this up, she'll be conversational in no time. Now let's take a look at Tom's calendar. Tom loves languages, but he works full-time and loves to spend nights and weekends with his friends. Tom doesn't have as many badges. From this observation, it's easy to see that Tom will have made much less progress than Julia. But Tom is okay with that. It all depends on your goals and reasons to learn the language. There's nothing wrong with learning the language more slowly, but at least it's easy to understand why Julia made more progress. The calendar is a very good representation of how long it will take someone to learn the language. It can take anywhere from a few months to several years to learn the language to fluency. It all depends on what you want to accomplish every day, and you can track it all within the Weeno program. Finally, if you click on the third button, you'll see the trophies you have acquired in the program. The trophies are a fun and visual way to see what you've accomplished, and getting all of them is a real challenge. You'll unlock most of them within the program, but some of them are unlocked by completing some external activities and logging them on your calendar. There's a total of 20 trophies to unlock. Try to discover them all. A user who unlocks all trophies with a golden frame should be fluent, or very close to it. Using a combination of all the tools included in the program will allow you to track your progress effectively, and it will let you know exactly what you need to work on if you're not satisfied with the progress you're making. It's a tool you can use to make constant progress throughout the entire language learning process. In the next video, we'll talk about the pronunciation module of Weeno and how to use it to achieve the great pronunciation you're striving for. Stay tuned!